What is this? Would you like a screwdriver? Alright. Would you like a screwdriver? Alright. Would you like a screwdriver? Alright. Actually, you know, I'm super nostalgic for an unfinished basement, so...
Greetings. We've been expecting you.
Would you like a screwdriver? Alright.
As our newest member, you'll have to perform the prayer.
You know what? Fine. Yeah, you want a screwdriver? Alright. Fine, you know, I ain't got no problem with this.
Trace the outline on the floor.
With a screwdriver?
Good.
Okay.
Now, you'll need to make a sacrifice.
You want a screwdriver? Alright. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna do it. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Did it work? Oh boy, I hope. Oh. Yes. Okay. Oh. Obviously, I did it wrong.
You did it wrong.
I know that. I'm aware. Gulp. Uh-oh. You know, screwdriver.